There are the front fork springs, the caps, which are interesting, mounted in there. Rod mounted to the spring. They're pretty crusty. See if I can clean them up today. These things. These are the fork tubes, the inner fork tubes. We got a lot of rust on that. Know what that is? Old oil built up? Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Let's see what this one has. A lot of rust. Let's see if I can. There's the oil that come out of them. See if I can get them apart. Get them usable again. Got some interesting. I don't know if they were chromed or not. They're just steel because they're covered up. But that's just wasn't the most expensive motorcycle to buy. Got a custom tool. Clean out the fork tube with. I don't know what I used there. I got that glued in there and that glued onto there and put it in the drill. Root it out. Got a bunch of rust in here. See if we can get it out. Right there was the rusty spots.